Does your commercial general liability policy include coverage for labor law with action over coverage? If not, a single claim can bankrupt your business. So, what is labor law? New York State has an old law in place called Labor Law 240 and 241, also known as the scaffolding law. The law applies to most construction, demolition, and repair work in New York. The property owner or general contractor on site must make sure the work environment is safe. This protects workers from injuries such as falling from ladders, scaffolding, roofs, or other elevated areas, or being struck by a falling object, such as tools, materials, or debris that are dropped from above. What is action over coverage? Action over coverage is an optional coverage to add to your commercial general liability policy. It refers to a specific type of insurance that protects businesses from potential lawsuits arising from injuries suffered by employees of subcontractors on a job site, even if the business itself had no direct role in the accident. Specifically, it covers the cost associated with defending the business and paying damages if an injured worker sues a third party, like the general contractor or property owner, for unsafe working conditions, and that third party then seeks indemnity or contribution from the business. Here's an example of a claim. A building owner hires ABC Electrical to install light fixtures. ABC Electrical sends their employees to the job site. One of the employees falls off a ladder and sustains an injury. The employee files a workers' comp claim which covers things like loss of wages and medical expenses. Workers' comp does not cover lawsuits. The employee chooses to take out a lawsuit against the building owner and the general contractor, and can prove the workplace was not safe. The building's owner has a contract with ABC Electrical that included a standard hold harmless agreement, which allows the building owner to pass the lawsuit back to ABC Electrical's commercial general liability policy. If there is an exclusion for action over on the policy, ABC is in big trouble because the average amount paid out for claims is well over $1 million. The building owner's policy would cover the claim, and then the building owner would sue ABC Electrical to reimburse for all losses due to this claim. This alone can bankrupt any business. Having action over covered on your commercial liability policy is expensive, but will allow you to take on bigger and better jobs, because many building owners and general contractors will not hire you without it.